message. I don't know if I'm seeing exactly what you're seeing, but let me just I want to clear off this because I was testing it a minute ago, and let me just make sure. Reset the Java virtual machine, make sure I'm starting everything from scratch. So what I'm seeing is this: I'm making a new game, and it comes up with this message here. And then if I run play, I get this. I get a prompt. I get my blinking cursor. But if I say go south, it just says, I don't know what you mean. And any commands I give, it says, I don't know what you mean. So I'll just, I don't know, again, if the version you sent me is the same one you were talking about. So just I'm just going to give you a brief idea about what I think's going on. And hopefully it'll help. But if not, if what I'm seeing is not at all what you're seeing, just make sure that you sent me the latest version here. So yeah, if I say quit, it doesn't know what I mean. So I just have to reset the virtual machine again. That could be it too. Maybe you just need to reset the virtual machine or something. And if you hold down Control K or Command K on the Mac, hold down the Control key and hit K, then it'll clear the window. But what I'm seeing is there's kind of a disconnect between, so you have command words, which has this list of valid commands and some tests in here for is command and all that. But then with your command word class, then you have these enumerated types, and it seems to me like you want to kind of consolidate these things. And what I mean by that is in your command words, what I would do is make a instead of using this array list here, I would make a hash map like this here. So we could do a private hash map of string and command word, and hold all your valid commands there. So I would get rid of this, and then what you can do is in your command words constructor, you could set up your hash map. So you could do valid commands equals, and make a new hash map, and this hash map is going to contain all your valid commands. Hash map string command word and then you can just loop through your values here for command word command, right? And here have your values. And if command is not equal to command word unknown, then it's valid. Or yeah, so we can add it. Valid commands dot put command, and then we use we use that toString method that you have in your command class, and then the actual command. Alright, so now we have our our command object and our, let's see, all the way out one more. Okay, that's better. Alright, so there you have that. And then, let's see, do we need to do anything else here? Well then, for our is command, now what you can do is just see if it's in there, right? So you could just return valid commands dot contains key a string. Okay. Yank. And what else do we need? So show all. Oh, then this would become valid commands dot key set. Okay, and then now your command words class is using command word. Oh, except what did I forget? Yeah, I forgot my angle brackets here. Oh, and I forgot to import java.util.hashmap. Okay, so that I would start looking at that, and then there might be some other stuff that got. But then I would use I think we could use the is command from like our command words object. Let's see. So we already have this command words object, right? So then we could just use that here, I think. Right? Yeah. I think that might help. I don't know if that's everything you need to do. We can try it. Let's just see. Go south. Oh, no. It's still not knowing what we mean. So then another thing you can do is trace through and see what's going on. So you can go up here, and where you are parsing here, process command. Yeah, let's see what's going on here. Why do we get this? I don't know what you mean. So, oh, and actually, you know, we should probably do something before we get here to see where that command got created, right? So let's do the get command bit here too and see what we're getting exactly for a command. So yeah, so I'm just clicking in the you know, far left margin, so you get this little stop sign here, and then when we run stuff we can stop. Oh, I guess I gotta restart here. So yeah, and another way you can restart is you can say reset Java virtual machine. That'll kind of restart everything for you. If you know, if you can't quit out or something. Okay, so here, and I'm going to say play, and now I'm kind of debugging and looking through and seeing what's going on. So what do I got going here? So I have